Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in Guarda Wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply scroll through your home page and tap open your Guarda Wallet app. So once you open your Guarda Wallet app, you will end up in this page. Now simply type in your password of your account, and then after you are done with filling up your credentials, tap on the unlock wallet option. So after this, you can get simply logged into your account and re-access your account back. So in order to get logged into your account, you should make sure that you have your backup ready to get re-logged in. So in this way you can simply get logged into your Guarda Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.